Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Gladiator soft top. First, ensure you have a second person to assist you, as this makes the process much easier and safer. You'll also want to locate your vehicle's toolkit, which contains the necessary Torx head drivers. Begin by folding both sun visors forward against the windshield. Then, release the two header latches located above the windshield by pulling their handles downward to disengage them from the crossbar. Next, let's tackle the windows. Start with the rear window by using the bottom straps to release the three plastic retainers at the lower corners and center. Keep the window level and slide it outward until it's completely separate. Do not pull downward. For the quarter panels, undo the hook and loop fastener at the upper front corner. Then, pull up on the lower corner and continue upward to disengage each panel from its door frame, pulling it out from the bottom. Now, we'll prepare to remove the main soft top. First, lower the top to the sunrider position and secure it with the hook and loop fasteners. Using a number 50 Torx head driver and a ratchet, remove the two screws that secure the soft top on each side of the vehicle. Once these 4 screws are out, with the help of your assistant, carefully lift the entire soft top assembly straight up and away from your Gladiator. For a complete open-air experience, you can also remove the door frames and belt rail. Use a number 40 Torx head driver for the 2 screws on each rear door frame and the 2 on each front door frame. Then, remove the 6 number 50 Torx head screws securing the belt rail. Always store your windows in a soft top storage bag to prevent scratches. Keep all Torx head screws in the fastener bin located below the rear seat for easy access later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.